Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve speaking skill using a short story again as usual. Well, this story is related to the use of present continuous tense. Well, we use present continuous tense to describe an action that is going on at the present moment. Well, the pattern of present continuous tense is subject plus am, is or are, then followed by verb ing or the present participle of the main verb. I am working. You are working. He is working. She is working. It is working. We are working. They are working. Well, to make it negative, we plus not after the to be am is are, then followed by the verb ing. And then to form to question, we must place the to be am, is or are before the subject, then followed by verb ing. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully when I tell you a short story. And you should also try to memorize it and try to retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about the story. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Tim and Sally are in the garden. Tim is climbing the tree, and Sally is sitting under the tree. The dog is in the garden too. It is running across the grass. It is running after a cat. But their father and mother are not in the garden. They are in the living room. They are watching television. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please listen and repeat after me. Then try to memorize it. And I will ask you some questions about it. Okay, are you ready? Tim and Sally are in the garden. Tim is climbing the tree. Sally is sitting under the tree. The dog is in the garden too. It is running across the grass. It is running after a cat. But their father and mother are not in the garden. They are in the living room. They are watching television. Alright, now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Where are Tim and Sally? What is Tim doing? What is Sally doing? Is the dog in the garden too? Is the dog running after a cat? The next question, are their father and mother in the garden too? Where are their mother? Are they in the living room? Are they listening to the radio? What are they doing? Now, what about you? What are you doing now? Are you watching television? Are you watching the video? Are you studying English? Are you cooking? Well, you should have partners to practice your English. Okay, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.